The last time I did an analysis on the SLP cryptocurrency, there was a lot of demand for another update. The last price prediction was, I think, about 5, 6, 7 days ago, and the price has made significant moves downwards this time. So I think it is time for another update in which I will indicate some different scenarios I think the price could now take, together with some opportunities for you to make profit off of those prices. Alright, welcome back. Let's get right into this price analysis and price prediction. When I said you could profit off of these prices, of course I meant that you can profit off of these price moves. Because with this big interest in the Axie Infinity game, I also think that there's a lot of interest and volume coming towards the SLP cryptocurrency, Smooth Love Potion, and I think you could profit off of that. So in the last price prediction, I was quite bullish on SLP. I think I set the initial take profit to 11 cents, I believe. But right now, the price has kind of cooled down. Not very big moves, but it is looking quite bearish in my opinion. This resistance trend line is holding quite well. It is below the EMAs again. And it broke through the 0.076, 0.073 resistance area, which is quite strong. So, you know, I'm starting to get a little bearish on this price, and maybe when you are still in profit, you should now maybe sell. But to show you my my view and my prediction on this cryptocurrency, I've made two scenarios. Basically, one that is quite bearish but still holds opportunities in the future, and one that is a little bit more bullish. So let's start with the bullish one. That's the blue one. That basically is that the price right now will break through the 0.076, 0.073 resistance area again. This is quite a strong resistance area, so it does have to get a lot of bullish momentum. So the price might actually drop down to the 0.068 price level first. After that bullish momentum, I think it could instantly go up to the 0.085 level, after which I think a small retracement is needed just to get more bullish momentum into the price again. And I think some people will get scared of this bearish move that has happened in the last few days, and they'll just sell off at 0.085 because they'll think, we're in a profit. So small sell off from that area, and then I think the 0.076 will function as a nice support again, possibly a little bit higher, maybe 0.078. And then I think we can go up again, reaching points we have reached already, which is 0.094, and from that point I think the SLP cryptocurrency will go into a small accumulation phase. So I think it will move sideways a little bit, possibly bouncing off of the 0.085 again, and maybe going a little higher, then going a little lower to the 0.083. And this might go on for a little bit longer. Price might actually drop down to 0.076 again, and it might go as high as 10 cents. And I think then it will just accumulate some more volume, possibly some interest and some buyers. I mean, with the interest for Axie Infinity, all those people first need to play, and after that they will trade in SLP, and they will use their SLP, and first off they will just gain it. So, I mean, if you look at the technical side, you should maybe find out that with the huge move of Axie Infinity, a lot of people were starting to play the game. If you have just started playing the game, you are minting a lot of SLP, and when after a while you will start to breach your Axies, you are actually burning your SLP. So looking into those fundamentals, that also gives support for another move up. So in this scenario, but first I think an accumulation is needed. Then I also have a more bullish momentum, and that bullish momentum is kind of going for the double bottom right here. So still, as I said, long-term bullish, but first it needs to go down a little bit. And in that scenario, I think it will bounce off of the 0.076, possibly with a wick up to the 0.083, after which I think it will go down by quite a bit, finding first resistance at 0.062 maybe, after which doing a break retest on a 0.068 to 0.07 maybe, somewhere around there. And then I think it will find support, so creating the double bottom at 0.055. I think, in my opinion, if you really do not suffer from any FOMO, this 0.055 could be a really nice trade, because if the double bottom actually holds, then this area would suffice as a nice support area to go on another leg up, such as we have seen right here or right here. And in these moves up, a lot of percentages can be gained, so you can make a lot of profit if you play it smart. So that's basically the second scenario. In my opinion, both of them are equally likely to happen. I'm not quite sure. I mean, when I was talking about the theory of the minting of SLP and the burning of SLP, I kind of started to look at the blue or the first scenario a little bit like it was more likely, but still, looking at the price technically, it is showing a lot of bearish signs. So still, I think these scenarios are equally likely. So yeah, that was this price prediction and price analysis. As always, if you have any questions about SLP, about this price prediction, about my way of analyzing or the channel, make sure to ask me down below in the comments, and I will make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. As for now, thank you for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.